Hi, my name is Ali Shabbir Hussain. Let's talk about how to convert degrees into degrees, minutes, and seconds. So to do that, we have to know these basics. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. This is how we denote our minutes, and this is how we denote our seconds, and this is the degrees. Let's take a random degree such as 79.53 degrees. 79.53 degrees can be written as 79 degrees plus 0.53 degrees. This is already a whole number or natural number. Now what we do is multiply the 0.53 degrees by 60, and this will give us minutes, which gives us, let's see, 0.53 0.53 into 60, which gives us 31.8 minute. So now we have is 79 degree 31.18 minutes. Now we want to go one step further, and we want to note the seconds as well. What will we do is 79 degrees 31 minutes, and multiply this 0.8 by 60. This will give us the seconds. 0.8 into 60. This gives us 48 seconds. So what we have is 79 degrees 31 minutes and 48 seconds. So this is how we convert degrees in decimal form to degrees, minutes, and seconds. If you found something valuable from this video, then please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It will help me a lot. And if you want a video on circles, then please comment it in the comment section. I appreciate it.